So at DCG, we love all of our clients, all of them. But like kids, kind of got a favorite, and my favorite on clients is manufacturers. Manufacturers are interesting because, especially in Los Angeles, because it's a difficult place to set up and make things. It's a tough labor market. They're competing with China on price on a lot of the items, and it's just generally hard to do business here. And so when I hear from one and they contact us from Google or referral or whatever, I just embrace them and try to figure out how to help them, and they're the most fun. I also like them because they want to invest in technology at a level that makes them competitive with China and some in Mexico, and they're willing to do the things that it's needed to have great IT. So they're fun, and I love my manufacturers.